My name is Ron Grames, and I'm the Systems Administrator for the Organizational Performance and Workplace Learning Department, or OPWL, in the College of Engineering here at Boise State University. In this series of videos, I will go through features of Lotus Notes, our chosen online learning environment you'll be using while studying with us. In this video, I will touch on some of the basics of our boot camp. Other videos will assist your learning of some of the basic features of Lotus Notes you will need to be successful. I'm going to assume you have finished creating your replica of boot camp. So to start off, let's go ahead and click Start Now to make sure we've replicated and have all of the most current information. And to start boot camp, we will just double click on it. And here we are in boot camp. If you do get one of these about documents, go ahead and close it. And before we start into any of these items, let me talk a little bit about what's on the screen. This is the navigation pane. In the navigation pane, it shows different views into our class database. The first four items give different views of the data within it. The default is all documents. We can look at by author view, and it will show everything that an author has put in. The date view shows the documents by the date they were installed, and by author profile is a feature we'll talk about later on. We have My Favorites, and this is a folder where you can add documents that you want to look at often. These last three are websites. This is the official website of Boise State Department of OPWL. We have the BSU library, and we have an FTP site. This site is where some of the faculty will put information that you need in your classes that would just make it too large to be in your class database and make replication a nightmare. This is the view pane, and in the view pane it will list the documents and give you the topic. The preview pane is down here, and what it will let us do is preview the information within a class database. And I already have this set so that it will mark a message red when I look in the preview pane. So there you have the basics of Lotus Notes class databases. Let's go ahead and look at a couple of these messages. The first one is Welcome to Boot Camp. To enter, just double click on it. You see in here we have important dates that you need to remember, and in here this is fall of 2013. Every semester this will be updated with the dates that are appropriate for that semester. To exit out of the message, you can come up and click on the close button or hit escape. The next message is double click and read me first. It tells you that Boise State's Boot Camp is an asynchronous online learning program that is designed to teach you the basic technical knowledge and skills necessary for using Lotus Notes as an effective online learning tool. As in all cases, please read the entire message. We're asking that you complete boot camp tasks in their order, and that in each boot camp task it explains what it needs to do in a separate document. As you're reading each task, and if you have any questions, you're asked to post a response message to the instructional document, and boot camp task number 1 will explain how to do that. Or you can simply send me an email at rgrames@boisestate.edu. I'll usually respond to your questions within 24 hours, and my responses, if you send them within Lotus Notes, will be posted as a response to your message, and will look something like this. Remember, you must replicate after you complete tasks or homework. The act of replication is that of sending any messages that you have created or responded to back to Boise State University and receiving new messages from us that you don't have. To do that, simply close out of all your documents so that you're back here at the replicator page, and simply click Start Now. Any messages that you created will be sent to us, and any new messages you'll receive. This ends this video.